For today's art activity, we are going to be painting the stripes for the background of our donut painting. I'm going to be painting analogous colors. These are colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. The first color I'm going to use is yellow. Yellow is the lightest of all the colors, so if you choose yellow as one of your analogous colors, start with yellow first. You can paint zigzag stripes, wavy stripes, or diagonal stripes across your paper. In between each stripe, leave some space for the other colors. I'm going to do all the yellow stripes first. Paint all the stripes of the same color first before moving on to the next color. That way you do not have to keep washing your brush over and over and over. Once you have painted all of your first colored stripes, I am now ready to wash my brush and paint my second color. On the color wheel, yellow and green are next to each other, which makes them analogous. So I can use green as my next color in my picture. As you are painting, try to make sure that the colors only touch each other. Try not to let them mix. We do not want our colors mixing too much on our paper. It is okay if they mix a tiny little bit, but try to keep them side by side and not on top of each other. Continue painting until you've added all of your green stripes. Try to continue the same pattern of lines that you started with, painting all the way to the edges of the paper. Taking your time, making thoughtful choices in your art. When you are ready to switch colors, check to make sure you didn't miss anything, and then wash your brush and select your last color. We will choose 3 colors that are analogous. Next to green on the color wheel is blue. That makes them analogous. So I can use blue as my last color in my background. Sometimes the paints dry out. If it's not spreading across your paper, try adding just a tiny bit of water to the paint to get it to smooth across the paper a little bit better. Take your time, make sure you don't miss any spots. Paint all the way from one side of the paper to the other. Make sure those colors are just touching each other. Don't let them get on top of each other and mix. Take your time and paint carefully and neatly. I am just about done painting all the stripes for my analogous color background. Next week, we will work on stamping the circles and adding the decorations to the donuts. When you are finished, make sure you wash your brush, put your picture on the drying rack, and you are all done with today's part of the activity.